Hi, this is Brad Dermott at AMT Inc. out here in Austin, Texas. We're here to do some destructive testing with pneumatic handles used in an aerospace application. We reached out to one of our production partners, GoProto, out in California, to produce these parts for us. These are off an HP 4200 PA12 material. This is a processed and unprocessed part.
Process. This one we got a few scratches after that throw, but it's very much intact. Very impressive.
See, take two.
We marked the building, not the part.
Yeah.